Hello, I'm Coach Julian, and this is Coach Taggart, and we are both middle school PE teachers here at Hickory Hills. Welcome to our virtual open house this year. We understand that this year is unlike any year that we've had up to this point, and so hopefully we'll answer some of the questions that you may have had about our PE class in this 2020 school year.
This year, we are still trying to keep everything as normal as possible in PE. The activities that we're doing, we are trying to keep safe, but also keeping our students moving and physically active is really important. So far, we've done units that aren't crazy, and everybody pretty much has had their own equipment, and so hopefully we'll be able to do that moving forward.
Um, Oftentimes we get questions about how we are taking precautions given the circumstances that we're in today. When students come into class, they are given hand sanitizer, they're given an opportunity to change clothes into PE appropriate clothing. That's tennis shoes, athletic pants or shorts, t-shirt, sweatshirts. Once they're done with that, they come out to the gym, we take attendance, then we get into our activity. We take them outside as often as we can. Anytime there's not inclement weather, we actually participate in our class activities on our football field or our track. We encourage social distancing throughout the entire class when possible, 6 feet or greater distance. We also disinfect all of our equipment before each class. Another precaution that we take is we encourage masking. The only time that students are not required to wear a mask is when they're participating in either rigorous or intense activity. And even in those situations, we encourage them, if they do need to take their mask off temporarily to catch their breath, that they remove themselves from the activity for a moment, drop their mask, take a few deep breaths, catch their breath, get comfortable again, and then put their mask back on to rejoin their game if they're going to be within 6 feet. So those are precautions that we're taking every single class, every single day, in order to prevent the spread of COVID. If you have any questions about our class, always feel free to contact us via email, or if you would rather send us a Canvas message. All of your students have access to Canvas. We're teaching our online courses as well. They can always reach out with questions about our course through Canvas if you have any questions. Thank you for joining us during our virtual open house. We look forward to meeting you in person eventually, but until then, thanks again, and we hope you have a great 2020 school year.
Go Spartans!